Let's learn how to use the all-new myFirst Insta-20, the smallest and fastest thermal printing camera around. To turn on, press and hold the power button on top. To charge battery, open the port on the side and plug in the included USB-C charger. The second screen will show a charging animation. Do you need to add more thermal paper? Simply press on the bottom toggle to release the front faceplate. Now open the latch and put in the paper, feeding it through the top. Close the latch and snap the faceplate back on. Press on the shutter button on the top right to take a picture, and press and hold the same shutter button to take video. Press the triangle button to access your media, and press the circle button to print your picture. You can also press the circle button from the camera mode to take a picture and print instantly. Single press the settings button on top to access settings, and press the plus and minus buttons to navigate menus. You can also switch to the selfie camera with this top button, which also functions as the back button. Camera Insta-20 will use its second display to show you when it is asleep with a sleepy cat animation. And whenever you take photos, the second screen will play an emoji guessing game to add to the fun. Say cheese!